Mega morning! I'm Kenneth, your McKinley insider, always happy to guide you. Come with me. As your McKinley insider, my goal is to show you around and make you feel like a local. Unang-una, nasa likod natin ang Korean Embassy, isa sa mga prominenteng embahada dito sa McKinley. At sa tabi ko, makikita nyo ang C5 Road na isa sa mga roads dito sa Metro Manila. Ang McKinley Hill ay inspired sa mga cities sa Italy at Spain. Ang McKinley Hill ay merong lawak na 50 hectares. Ito ang pinamalaking township development ng Mega World dito sa Metro Manila. At dito, dinala nila ang sophistication at culture ng Southern Europe Street dito sa Pilipinas. Here, you will experience a perfect blend of luxurious residences, premium office space, and top-notch dining and leisure spots. Ang Venice Grand Canal Mall ay kilala bilang most romantic mall in the Philippines. At syempre, bakit hindi? Dito mo makikita ang Grand Canal with real gondolas steered by singing gondolers. Sa loob ng mall, hindi lang puro shopping, may jewelry stores, outdoor events, family activities, at gym. Kompleto talaga. On the upper floors, there's a church for a quiet reflection. Across from the mall, you will find several office buildings that has many multinational companies. Perfect for professionals working in the area. Sa likod ng mall, makikita natin ang Commerce and Industry Plaza. Office building din yan, kasama ng UAE Embassy. Halos katabi nito, makikita ang One Campus Place kung saan located naman ang Embassy of Italy. Dito ang Enderun College, isang top international school na kilala sa culinary arts, hospitality management, at business courses. If we walk further down, we'll see even more office spaces. At the end of this main road, you'll find a McKinley Hill Stadium, a venue used for sporting events, concerts, and major gatherings. Nearby, there's a Chinese International School Manila offering international education with a strong Chinese cultural foundation. Let's circle back to the mall. In the ground level, we have a bus terminal going to PITX, perfect for those heading south or to Eastwood City for northbound travelers. At may free shuttle service din in front of Woodridge. The schedule is as follow. Inside McKinley din, we have a park and open spaces para makapag-relax. May fish pan tayo with vending machine para sa mga fish food. For only 5 pesos, pwede ka na magpakain ng isda. At makikita mo rin dito how cat-friendly itong buong township. Now, let's head to one of the most prestigious residential developments here, St. Mark Residences in Venice Luxury. It is the tallest developments in McKinley, and all units are with balcony. Imagine living here, complete accessibility, 5 to 10 minutes away to everything you need. Your basic needs, your work, your lifestyle wants, all within walking distance. Now, let's check the amazing amenities here. Swimming pools for adults and kids. Gardens for relaxation. Children's playground for the little ones. Clubhouse for private events. Courts for health and wellness. Fitness gym for workouts. That's it for now. This is Kenneth, your McKinley Insider, signing off for now. If you like this content, make sure to subscribe to stay updated. See you in the next vlog.